Well, it's no Silicon Valley, but behind me, Kickstart SAB is in Soweto to get entrepreneurs on the right path to getting their businesses out there and recognized. Step right up, state your case, and if you're lucky, SAB will give you a kickstart. This initiative also commemorates Youth Day and is aimed at aiding budding entrepreneurs. The Kickstart truck is traveling around the country looking for young pioneers. With official youth unemployment stats at 53% and the actual figure much higher, this could be their only chance at earning a livelihood.
The thing that still worries us, though, is the low levels of participation from women entrepreneurs, young women that are not taking, the bite, that are not coming as strong as we want them. So we're taking it as a learning. We continue to question how to improve our programs, how to strengthen, how to broaden them, what other elements we need to put in place to incentivize young women to participate.
Ideas pitched today ranged from reflective vests for animals to robots that do your laundry. As they say, there is no bad idea. Here are some the judges thought might just make it.
Now we've got a waterless urinal waste system where on average flush you're looking at 1.5 liters of fresh drinking water going down the drain. Now with this solution we can literally convert existing urinals into waterless.
My idea helps people to save and invest, helps groups from LSM 1 to 5 because of they're the poorest and they don't have bank accounts. However, all of them, they are aggressively using airtime so they can be able to use airtime to save with it.
With this, Tlamelo envisages he can create a culture of saving for lower LSM groups, which could also boost the country's low savings rate. SAB will incubate those ideas that make it through this program and will also provide capital. But in case you at home are getting ideas, these particular pitches are covered as intellectual property. For Business Day TV, I'm Leboga Mokoena.